Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Retrieve Message Container node. If you don't know what a Retrieve Message Container node is, make sure you check out the previous video titled Understanding the Retrieve Message Container node. Great, now let's get flowing. First, drag and drop a Retrieve Message Container node from the Catenis Flow palette area into the Node Red workspace, and double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. Add a descriptive name of your choice to the name field that will help differentiate this node from others of the same type on your Node Red workspace. On the Device drop-down field of the Properties slide-out panel, choose the Catenis virtual device you previously configured. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field of the Properties slide-out panel. Note that additional properties can be set by passing a JSON object when handling large content. Now, click the Done button. Drag and drop a debug node to your workspace and wire the Retrieve Message Container node to the Debug node. Add an Inject node to the Node Red workspace and wire the Inject node to the Retrieve Message Container node. Double-click the Inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. In the drop-down Payload field, choose the string type. Enter a Catenis message ID. Note that using this exact message ID in the string field will produce an error stating no permission to retrieve message container, as this example message ID refers to a message that was placed on the blockchain by a device you do not own or have permission to access. Please use your own message ID that you generated when you logged a message to the blockchain using the log message node. Don't have a message ID? Complete the tutorial at this link to generate your own message ID. Now click the Done button and click Deploy. Now let's test the flow. Click this button to open the Debug sidebar. Click the button on the left of the Inject node to send your message ID to the flow. The Debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results. Awesome! Now that you've retrieved the message container information, what can you do with it? Copy and save the message container information from the API call results into an external file, and check out our next tutorial to learn how to use this information with the Read Message node.